Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to vertically center text in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to make text vertically centered in table. Go to the insert menu, then click the table option, then create a table, then increase the table size some big, then click the table cell and write anything. Now we want to vertically center this text. Select the text and go back the home menu, then click the center align. Now we can see we make this text vertically center this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.